it's me, Jessica De Leon, and today I'm going to be doing a James Avery unboxing for you guys today. I went to the mall and I picked up 2 rings that I've had my eyes on for a little while now. So if you're interested in seeing what rings I did purchase, then keep on watching. So let's get into it. I don't want to make this a really long video, okay? Just because I just don't want to ramble on about nothing. You guys just want to see the rings, right? So they come in a little bag like this, and she put both rings in one box, but in 2 little cloth bags. Let's check out this bag. So yeah, let's go ahead and see which one is in here. This is the Pure Heart ring. It's a very simple band ring with a little heart, in which I love. I'm a very simple person when it comes to my jewelry. I absolutely love simple jewelry. My bracelet isn't really that simple. It's also James Avery. They're infamous for their charm bracelets. This is all real silver, handcrafted, by the way. But other than my bracelet, I am very simple, like when it comes to my earrings, my necklaces, stuff like that. So this is what this ring looks like, and this is the finger that I'm going to wear it on. So yeah, that is this ring. I love it. It's so cute. So the next ring I got, let's just get into that. And she left a little size tag, so yeah, you can see I am a 9. So this ring is called the Amour heart ring. So they're just little tiny hearts, and in between each heart is a little dot. It's just kind of etched in the ring. Another simple banded ring. I just absolutely love this. It was really hard to choose. It was between this one and another one, and this was the one I really liked. So this is going to be my thumb ring. So yeah, that's it. So that is the rings. I just wanted to show you the rings that I got. I'm super excited to wear these. So let me know what you guys think, if you like these rings. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you can see me again in the future. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.